Another interesting way to filter data for analysis in Shots to Hole is by using the round type filter. I've selected it from the drop down menu and I can select then any type of round. For this to work, the player needs to enter their round type through in the round entry parameters when they're putting the data in. There's a separate tutorial video on how to do this. For this particular golfer has some tournament golf and also we have some club competition, which is competitive golf but not quite as high end as playing in tournaments. And then finally this golfer has social golf. Your golfers might be different, it could be qualifying or practice and things like this, however the principle is the same. What I'm going to do next is click on the benchmark, and anything that's green will show me where the player is better. In this case I'm comparing social golf compared to tournaments and club competition. So in club competition and tournaments the green areas are where they perform better. Short game is coming up as better, putting is coming up as better, so obviously the ball striking's dropped off and we can see that in the grey areas. Greens in reg and birdie opportunities are down, driving distance is down, and hold putts is down as well. That's actually the length of putts hold. Fairways are down, and what's really quite interesting over here in social golf, the middle 6 holes are played in level par, where in tournaments and in other areas they're actually worse. In club competition you can see some big differences there. I find this a really useful filter, particularly as you're dealing with players emerging who starting to play tournament golf. So this is how you would use the round type filter to have a look at how your golf is performing in different situations.